Here is a tutorial on how to put together Crafty Little You's new base piece, the street sign. When your kit arrives to you, it will come just like this, unfinished because it's a DIY kit. You'll receive the base piece of the street sign, and right here that was the spacer that goes between the bucket so the interchangeable pieces can slide into there. Then we have the street sign arrow frame. Then this street sign is an extra piece. Each interchangeable piece will come with one of those, so you can save that or you can throw it away since the interchangeable pieces will come with their own pieces. Then you're going to receive two base pieces, a small and a large, and those are going to glue together. Make sure they are lined up perfectly so the base piece of the street sign can slide and click right into those. Okay, so you're going to want to paint this street sign first before you glue it together. So we have done that part. We're going to grab our favorite wood glue, Gorilla Wood Glue, and we're going to start adding that glue to glue on the pieces. So here is my spacer, and that's going to go onto the bucket. And here is a fun little trick. The wood glue takes some time to dry, so if you would like, you can put a little dot of hot glue after you put wood glue on there, and then that will hold it together tight while the wood glue is drying. Okay, this is the front of our bucket, and we are going to glue that onto the spacer now, just like this. Then we are going to grab our arrow for the street sign and put glue on the edges just like this. And then once you have that glue on there, you can put it onto the street sign. Make sure those edges are lined up so when you do put your change outs in that they will fit perfectly. And then here is our base, and we already glued it together. This is what your street sign will look like when it's all glued together.